Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. I wanted to showcase a couple of trades that were taken by myself and another trader. We took these last Friday. They were textbook trades, so I thought they'd be great examples to show people how simple this 15 strategy really is. We utilize the 15, 5, and 1 minute time frames, although this same strategy can be used in larger time frames. With the proper scans set up with a normal scanner. This strategy is specifically designed to work with the filter that comes along with our scanner, and we are finding that it is taking a lot of the guesswork out of trading. The method by which we're doing this helps us to know when we're trading a trend or trading a counter. I like the trending patterns. So that's what we're going to showcase at this point. This was my first trade taken on the Euro Yen. This is the 1 minute. It was a 30 pip trade. It was giving us a trend pattern, and we got the 4-bar pattern, jumped in, and could have closed it a little bit better. You'll see how the other trader did a lot better because he traded based off the exit signals. Again, the entry and exit signals on this strategy is very precise and very effective. Here's the 5 minute of the same trade on the same pair, and here is the 15 minute on the same trade, same pair. Okay, here is a trade that was taken at the same time in the pound yen. I only have the 1 minute chart for this one. This was a 20 pip trade, but again, the exit, the reason I wanted to showcase this was the exit could have been executed manually a little bit faster than what the trailing stop did for me. But still 20 pips, I'm not going to complain. The pound yen from the other trader, this one was 25 pips, and he traded it based on the exit signal, so he got a much better exit than I did. 5 pips better. And then his Euro Yen trade, where he exited off the signal for exiting as well, which gave him an additional 10 pips. Mine was 30, his was 40. So very excited about that. These are textbook trades. They are trending pattern trades. If you want to learn more how to get this done and make this a reality on a daily basis, you're going to want to come to our workshop. So I invite you to come, take advantage of the information that we have to share, get involved with the course, and learn how to do this. And come and trade alongside us. Let's make everybody successful. This is Jed signing off. Look forward to seeing you on the other side, and hope to help you with much success in the near future. Thanks.